Assalamualaikum everybody. Hope that you are fit and fine, and Alhamdulillah I'm also fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah today, and thank you so much sir for giving me these golden opportunities to tell about my learning experience in front of you. So I'm really glad to talk in front of you, and in front of me there is so beautiful people, and I'm pleasure to talk in front of them. So I'm going to start my speaking by giving a quotation that I have learned from sir. That is, yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, but today is an extraordinary gift, an amazing gift by the grace of Almighty Allah. So we have to use this present time, we have to use today, this and every moment. So for this gift we can say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah. Yes, we can say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah. So I have learned many things after coming here. Actually, right now I am feeling very good. You know, in front of me there is lots of people, lots of knowledgeable person. But right now I am doing presentation, but I don't feel any kinds of hesitation. I don't feel any kind of scare because of sir. And sir has taught us how to speak in front of people, how to give a public lecture. So thank you so much sir, and I'm feeling really good, and I hope that we all are learned from here many things by these 2 days. So and I am just going to tell you my feelings and what I learned actually. So I learned that if I believe that I need to do something, or if I believe that I will be able to do something, if I believe it from the heart and soul, then definitely, inshallah, I can do it. So this is the main thing that I have learned in this very short time. So I'm very proud for our sir. Thank you so much, sir. And I have realized that we are more capable than we think we are. We are more bigger than we think we are. We are more tougher than we think we are. So definitely we will be able to speak. We will be able to give public lecture, inshallah. Sir has taught us many things, and inshallah we will take it with ourselves, with our home. Then we will practice each and every single day, every single moment. And sir has taught us one single quotation that I'm going to tell you, that day by day, each and every day by day, is in every way I am getting better and better. So yes, by practicing after going home, inshallah we will practice more and more time, and definitely we will got our result. We will be success. We will become more capable than we think we are, inshallah.
Please share your